All right. Hey, everybody. Hey, little Mike. How you doing, buddy? Just a wrap up here and a little preview. We're done with this one. Came out good. Thanks to our sponsors, Harold Gurr Law, Elite Surveillance NJ, Dubby, and of course, Ergu for sponsoring that, and our fan hub back here. Good job, guys. Hopefully we'll do some more stuff with them. Screen looks good. I would have liked to have had a little more. I was going to put a bigger one in. Apparently, Thermalright software and the software for the screen that does not have the HDMI plug, just so you know, same software. And when I went to return it, they were like, well, we don't, you can install 2 sets of software. I'm not doing that. One's enough. I'll just get a HDMI one. I'll pay a couple more bucks, whatever. Anyway, so Air Jordan 4 red cement. Fancy. Nice. NJ Sneaker King hooks me up. Anyway, the next one is for me. Everything I've built this year, I test it, I benchmark it, run some stuff on it, just make sure everything is good. And it's time to build one for myself. So I'm going to walk you through that process. We'll do another build, and of course, I'll match myself up with a pair of sneakers. I don't know, little Mike, what do you think? Who's going to sit on top? I don't know. We'll figure something out. I'm a big fan of certain movie genres and things like that. So anyway, good job, little Mike. We did a good one here. For those of you in the New York, New Jersey area, we will build one for you. If you see one of these that you like and you're interested, send me an email, thinkypeteusa@gmail.com. It's in the description, and we'll talk about it. All right. I really like this one. I like the diagonal case, but yet it's not diagonal on the side. It's still rounded off. Pretty cool. Anyway, thanks for stopping by. And the next one is coming up. I think you're going to like it. This one's for me. See you soon. Thanks. All right. Well, that wasn't supposed to happen. Hey, everybody. What's the matter with you? Stay there. More stuff. A little different, though. So, before I started the YouTube thing and got together a couple of my boys with sneakers and other stuff, I've been building, and then I benchmark and do some stuff, and then, privately put it on the market, because how many computers do you need? Well, if I had a warehouse, a lot of them. Kidding. But anyway, maybe not. But anyway, welcome back to Sneaks and Geeks. This is quick. I've done, I forget how many, but I've done about 10 computers this year, and I still have, the only one that's mine is the Stormtrooper one. The little short I did with the Be Quiet 600 case, but that runs my TV. That's not something I use for work, so to speak. So I have to build a work computer because I'm the one editing. Not very well, mind you. Bear with me. I'm trying. This stuff's easy for me. This stuff, not so much. It's kind of learning on the fly here. My brain ain't what it used to be. You get older. But anyway, and feel free to leave comments, help. If you're in the New Jersey area, shoot me an email in my email description, and it's sneakypeteusa@gmail.com. And if you got any tips and tricks, more than willing to, you know, have a conversation about that. I'm getting some help, but you know, scheduling and work, regular work and all that stuff, you know, takes a little bit of time. But anyway, what you see here is going to be mine for putting out the product, basically, for editing and for, you know, doing all the things that need to be done behind the scenes. Anyway, which of course I'm going to do a case unboxing because, you know, build space, right? I think this one also is going to be pretty far up there. But yeah, so that's what we're doing. And, you know, stick around. I'm going to bring up the case and clear all this stuff out. And, oh, well, real quick, Ryzen 9 9950X, 5070 Ti Aero, white AORUS B850 Stealth Ice back connect. So obviously we need a back connect case, and we got a good one. You could probably guess what brand it is. I'm a fan. Anyway, be right back. All right. Here we come. Oof. Knocking stuff over. Okay. You're not going to be able to see me behind this. Let me slide this over a little bit. Hey. I know, surprise, surprise, surprise. This is the Thermaltake Tower 600. Obviously, you've seen all the 300s. We're going bigger. On my desk, I don't know how big it's going to be, but we'll make it work. We're definitely not going to do the sideways thing. But I've never built in it. I'm excited. I'm also excited because this one's staying home with me. Because, you know, moving stuff around, you know, it's you know, it's computers. You don't want to be, you know, God forbid. Anyway, we're going to crack it open. We're going to unbox it. And we're going to talk about build space. We're going to see how much. And I think what we'll do is when it's finished, we'll then give it the all-important rating. And if you've built in it before, let me know what you guys think. Once again, as always, thanks to our sponsors, Harold Gurr Law, Dubby, 10% off, Elite Surveillance New Jersey, Ask for Andrew, mention Sneaks and Geeks, and of course Airgoo for sending us equipment, RGB and Fan Hub stuff. Check out their Amazon page. They got some good stuff. We're actually going to be using their RGB flexible light in here. I used it in the, not the last Tower 300, the one before. It looks really nice on the bottom. It lights up, and we're also going to customize this, but I think depending on when the screens get here, you know, sometimes stuff gets delayed, but it's okay. But we're going to build, but we're going to, more importantly, this is going to be the unboxing, and we'll take it apart and we'll see what we got. All right, stand by. All right. Hey, here's an idea.
This is a big box. Oh my. You are a big boy. Oh, I don't like the sound of that. Someone didn't put a tie on there. Good old styrofoam. Okay. All right. We got our handy dandy book. Oh, that's why. There we go. Sorry, little mishap there. All right. Hello, Tower 600. You just look like a bigger version of Tower 300, but you are definitely a wide body, huh? Well, if it's anything like all the other ones, are you strapped to something? I hate forcing things, but you kind of have to do it with this. There it is. Okay. We have two 140 millimeter on top, which we are going to put three 120s because why not? I believe these aren't RGB, so we're going to put RGB. Oh. Unlike the Tower 300, sideways opening, huh? Interesting. Okay. All right. I guess they didn't want to do the flip back thing. Of course, now you don't want to go back to where you were. Come on, dude. Get in there. There you go. Okay. Magnetic, like the other one. Magnetic, very good. Which I then assume the back is the same. Oh yeah. We got room back there, huh? We have our normal, oh, they gave us Velcro. Look at that. Screws, GPU support, very nice. The reversible, so with this card, again, the espresso. With this case, actually it was a latte, but still, espresso. A little too jacked up on caffeine right now. You can put fans in the back here. Haven't decided if I'm gonna, probably. We'll see. We'll see how the cable management goes. I think cable management's gonna be a breeze in here just based on the fact that these panels also come out. So we can kind of hide everything down the side. And so to give you an idea of the fan layout and what we're gonna do here is quite simple. You're gonna have three 140 millimeter exhaust. For some reason, you can only do 120s on this side, it said. So we're gonna do three here, 120 intake. because the graphics card, oh look, I can fit my hands in her. Graphics card's gonna sit in your normal hanging position. It's not going to, we're not gonna turn it this way. And it's not the master card, so there's no lights on it. It's just white. It's really nice. It's a big boy though, so we're gonna do it that way. This will come out because the GPU is gonna hang lower. You're gonna have a 140 reverse, and on the bottom, down here where you can't see my hand, another 140, bringing some fresh air up into that graphics card. Like I said, top exhaust, 3 120s, power supply standard in the back. What I also like, and what I'm noticing, and what we'll probably do, because you know me and fan hubs, let me turn this around real quick. We're gonna slap that baby right there. That should be out of the way. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. This looks good. I think it's going to be a bit cumbersome on my desk. Well, I don't know what I guess the 300's about this wide. So maybe 3 inches, 3.5. We'll see. Anyway, same panels pop off the same way in front as they do. Actually, are they in? Yeah. Take those out later. But anyway, let's get this going. Please like, subscribe, hit the bell so you know when we're doing some videos. I try to put something out every week or two. You know, as we progress more, you know, we'll put out as many as we can. We want to keep you entertained. And we have some ideas coming up that I think you're going to like. But we have to build this because it's recreationally, this is not. This is a necessity. I need this to, you know, do what I do here. You know, I have help in other places, but the bulk of the stuff is done by me. So I need to get this thing up and running, and I don't have to keep moving stuff around, and we can just focus on unboxing the cases, getting some build space ratings, and you know, building you some fun stuff to look at and some cool sneakers to go with it. All right, so let's get started. Be back.